Hello. Okay, let's do this. Hello, everybody. This is LukeMaster06 here, and welcome back to another stream. Today, we are going to be playing what is called Mario Editor, and this is a fan game created by Hello Fan Gaming and many other people who worked on the project. And basically, what it is, if the title doesn't say anything, is it's Mario Maker on the PC, but better. So. Like usual, like we've been covering, we've covered Super Mario Maker 2, we've covered the Super Mario Brothers Game and Builder, and now we're covering this, and it's kind of similar, but in my opinion, I'd say it's a lot more powerful than both of them. So yeah, let's just go and jump into it. And in the description. In the description of the video, you can find a link to the game, to my email, because you can also send me your .json files for levels that you create, and I will be able to play them. And also, down there is a link to the Discord server if you want to join it, and Streamlabs. So. Now that I've said all of that, let's go ahead and actually start making a level. So, I've been working on... oh my gosh, it is really flipping loud. I don't care what anyone says, I am turning that down. So yeah, I've been working on a level, and... yeah, so this level is called Donut Forest, and it's called that for many reasons. One of them being the actual donut blocks here. And, yeah, so this is what I have so far. And what I plan on doing is making a, welcome Justin Gamer TV 06 to the stream. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to use I can't speak. I'm trying to make it so that there's a vertical sub area. So when you go up a vine, it'll take you to a vertical level. And so that's what I'm gonna do here. So when you come up here, you go, let's call it sub-vertical, I suppose. Right, now the way of that, let's actually create a sub-area. Okay, sub. There we go. Sub_vertical, and we'll edit that in a little bit, but for now I want to kind of work on this, because this just doesn't look that great. Let's see. Okay, so let's add some clouds. Yeah. Okay, so something I'm testing real quick is how far Mario can jump. And I'm doing that by setting up this little thing down here that I'm gonna delete, but I'm gonna just try jumping that far and just seeing just seeing how far Mario can actually go. So here's the game. Welcome Motion Potion to the stream. That is the best name I think I've heard in a while. Ow. There we go. Let's jump down here. Ow. I'm gonna have to tweak that in the editor, but... So yeah, if you guys would like to download this game, then the link is in the description. this person, Hello Fan Gaming, has also made a bunch of other fan games. So yeah. Whew. Okay, so you jump, you jump, you jump, and then... Alright. So this is about as far as he got here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some cloud blocks. And I'm just gonna use these basic ones here. Just... Oh, need to go into the items. There we go. Okay. So down here I want to add a secret, because I like adding secrets in my levels because it's always fun to see if people ever discover them or not. And I think once I get done with maybe like 10 or 20 levels, I'll put them in a little pack and, I don't know, share them online. Okay. That's my microphone. Okay. So... gonna come up here and just add some coins. Yeah. Coins. Coins are pretty cool. Add some more coins here. I plan on also adding a couple enemies on here. And of course we have to tweak this down here. Now, what I'm doing down here at this area is I'm making it so it looks like you can't really access that area. But because of the way that this game's programmed, which is supposed to mimic the way that like games like Super Mario World were programmed, these dirt blocks right here didn't ever have a hitbox, so you can actually go through them. And technically, if you wanted to, you could slide down and kill yourself here. So here, I'll just go and show you what I mean. And sometimes, like, as soon as I start the level, because I'm controlling this with a controller here. Okay, so sometimes, like, as soon as I start playing, sometimes the controller will not register my jump button, but it does eventually. Yes, I do suck at this game, thank you for asking. Alright, I just realized we've hit 621 subscribers. Last time I checked, it was 618. Oh, speaking of subscribers, if you guys want to, you should really subscribe to Join the Masters today. We make content, well, I make content like this. Monday to Wednesdays, Fridays, subject to change because I can be lazy sometimes. So here, let's go and show you what I mean here. So if we step in here, as you can see, these dirt blocks are completely, like, you can go through them. And also it seems that you can go through that as well. So look at that. So then, I give the player secrets. However, you can also do this. Okay. So, yeah. Got nothing else to say. Let's actually do the main part of the level. Let's go to subvertical. And let's come down here. Let's go in and change this background. I think I want to keep the music the same. This is a pretty good background, actually. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Jeez Louise, okay. So, Dobby Docs, or however you pronounce that, thank you for joining the stream, and this is called Mario Editor. It is similar to Super Mario Maker, but it's in my opinion, it's slightly more powerful, and it's on PC, obviously. And if you want to, you can download it in the description. So, yeah. Alright, so I'd say that that's plenty of, room. Yeah, that's plenty of room. Let's see here. See, it looks like Mario Maker 3 to me. If Mario Maker 3 is this powerful, then I will definitely buy it. Because this game is actually surprisingly powerful. And it's a fan game, so that just makes it cooler. Alright, so I want to fill this whole thing here. Yeah, that looks about right. And then come down here. There we go. And then we go ahead and add a destination. Now, when it comes to this game and a warping system, it is not nearly as user-friendly as Mario Maker's is, but it's still it's a lot more powerful. Hopefully Nintendo won't find it. I'm sure, I don't know if Nintendo's found it or not. And if they have, then I don't know why they haven't done anything to it. So, like, this game is very, very popular. It's made by a person who makes a lot of good fan games, especially Mario ones, and yeah. And it's been around for a good while, and it's still getting updates. For instance, one of this new update actually added NPCs to the game. So, yeah, I think they added NPCs from another Mario game that this person's working on. And thank to the one person who liked the video, by the way. So yeah, let's go and test this out. Let's save it and test it out.
Let's go.
And the way this game's like power up and health system works, it combines stuff from a lot of games, like the you know, I guess health power circle or whatever from games like Mario 64 and Sunshine and Odyssey and stuff like that. And cool, make a story. And it also takes it has a similar art style to, like, when it comes to the graphics, it's like a mixture of 3 and Worlds graphics. Help Toad find his kids. Jeez Louise. And when it comes to the music, it's definitely, like, it's almost like it sounds like SNES. I just realized something. I don't believe you can actually get out of there if you go down there. So let's fix that. Thank to 2 people who've liked the stream so far. Come on, jump button. But yeah, and when it comes to, like, they've got the power bar, I guess it's called, from SMB3, and they've got power-ups from pretty much looks like Mario Advance. Yeah, it's all, yeah, I agree with that. It's kind of a mixture of, like, those games' version of Advanced. And, yeah, and all the, like, there's a bunch of power-ups from so many Mario games. And they all have their own custom sprites and stuff. So, yeah. Okay, so you can't get up here. So, yeah, let's go to the main section. Come over here. Can you make a world? You can't combine levels together to make worlds, but in my opinion, compared to the vast amount of things that they have, like, for instance, look at all of these power-ups that they've added. They added the super crown. I just realized I haven't tested this yet. What does this look like? Because I don't believe there's a way to play as different characters in this game, which is another thing Mario Maker 2 has on this game, including the Super Worlds. But, what does it look like? I'm curious now. I must figure this out. Ow. Come on, man. Bowsette! Oh, well. Alright. So. I don't know why I didn't believe in myself and just should have gone forward, man. Alright, so I'm not going to try and be nearly as thorough as I have been. So yeah, this game's got a lot in it, and the fact that you can create I'm pretty sure it's an almost infinite amount of sub-areas and stuff, makes it so that your levels can be as long as you want them to. Oh, holy crap. Oh, holy crap. Is this Marioette? You can make it back with the Super Crown. Hold on. Hold on. Because of the, Marioette. It's Marioette. I'm sure there's fan art of that, right? Okay, hold on. I want to see. Can you make it back with the Super Crown? Okay, here it is. Then we float. Oh my gosh, I did it. I have so many questions. Okay, so... so that's that. And now I want to make a level with the Super Crown. I'm doing that later. Hold on. Super Crown is... yeah, Super Crown is overpowered. I was about to say God tier. Oh, holy crap. This looks interesting. Hello, Postal. Welcome to the stream. So this is Mario Editor. It's like Mario Maker, but it's on the PC, and in my opinion, it's a lot more powerful. You can do a lot with it. Also, I mean, we just discovered that the Super Crown's in this game, so... And it turns you into Marioette. Now I want to make a level based on Marioette. Welcome, James, and your... not gonna pronounce that. Okay, so if you want to download this game, then you can use the link in the description to download it, and you can also use the email in the description to send levels to me, and I'll be able to play them because of the fact that it's PC. I am also, just in case I'm missing anything, am opening my Gmail right now. So just give me one quick second, people. Oh, okay. Okay. Stop sending me emails, Google. Alright, it's open now. My alleged audio bitrate is 0. Okay, thanks, Google. Okay, so, and another cool thing about this game is that it supports controllers, so just curious, can you play other people's levels? Like, it's not a whole online course world thing like Nintendo does with Mario Maker 2, but you can send the .json files, which, here, give me a second. If I throw up the display capture, and show you, can you provide us with commentary? I am providing you with commentary. Is it enough commentary is my question. So yeah, if you come into the, like, when you download the game, it'll download all these files along with it, and in the level category is where all the .json files are, and then you can go ahead and send those to other people, and they put them in the level folder, and they can play them. And they can also edit them as well. So yeah. So, yeah. Back to the game. So, and another cool thing, I just, like, keep thanks to the one person who disliked the stream. I'm sorry that I suck. Man, YouTube is great. So, basically, another cool thing that this game does is when you go... Oh my gosh, commentary. So, basically, another cool thing that this game can do is, when it comes to the tile section, which is just this whole map of everything. Thanks, Dobby Dogs. Oh, never mind. Dislike's gone. I'm sorry that I pressured you into... We need commentary. Who dare dislike? Okay. It's complete silence right now. We need commentary. Third, he actually made me think that there was no silence at all. Who dare dislike? Don't pressure them into liking it. It's their opinion. It's their opinion. If they want to dislike it, it's okay. That just tells me that I need to do something different. It's the internet. You have your own opinion. There we go. Now that I've spoke to the people, I can get back to my Mario games. So, so another cool thing about this game is that all the tiles can also be used. No, postal. Postal. Anyways, all these tiles can be used as background tiles too. So yeah, it's postal. Don't do a postal. So yeah, you can do a lot with this editor. A lot. I mean it. So now I'm actually gonna go ahead and begin creating a level. So since this is Donut Forest, we need donuts. There we go. Just for the heck of it, I'll also had a hidden block here, the 1-up. Uh-oh, we're all getting vicious now. I have so many questions. So yeah, I think I should give the player an option. Ooh, level time. This is 4 away. So let's keep it that way. Honestly, oh my gosh, donuts. Yep, donuts. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it look like that. And so then you just slowly hop up. Also, I think I want to add a checkpoint. I'm pretty sure you can add, like... Well, that confirms that you can add pretty much as many checkpoints as you want. So yeah, if you want to go crazy with the checkpoints, then go crazy with the checkpoints, I suppose. Okay. Thanks, chat. Appreciate it. Thanks to the 4 people who've liked the stream. Okay, so let's just get donuts. Ruh-roh. Ah, jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. Alright, so, another thing is the difference between these red donuts and these normal donuts is the red donuts, as soon as you step on them, they start to shake and fall. If you, like, jump, then they'll continue falling. It doesn't matter. So yeah. So I got a gun. Huh. So yeah, here's this level. I'm not gonna ask what's going on in chat. What's with all the music blocks? Oh, I'm assuming all of these here. So, here's the note block, and then there's the hidden note block. And then there's the yellow note block, don't know what the difference is. And then here's the hidden yellow note block. Then there's the warp note block. A big example of these is from SMB3, where... Thank you, James. Remember all the wash your hands. A big example is in SMB3. It's like the first or second world. If you can find a hidden warp block. And... Okay. Yeah. If you hit it, and then you jump on it, you'll go shooting into the sky and go into a coin heaven. And that's all the warp block is. And then all of these here, all of these things here are basically blocks that you can't break unless you have a certain power-up or a certain item. The boomerang is for, what is it here? The boomerang flower. Here, let me find it again. The leaf is for the raccoon suit. The star is for the star. The bomb is for a bomb. The shell. The switch, I'm assuming they disappear. Warp 1 sound like something good for trolling. Postal, please don't do this to the world. And then there's the gray shoe block. You can use Karibo's shoe. Welcome, Samantha Foot, to the stream. We're playing Mario Editor. You can download the game in the description. Yeah, there is a lot of freaking power-ups in this game. I am not gonna lie. And then, finally, I'll tell you just a little bit, guys. Okay, sorry about that, guys. And then I'm assuming Nibus, you okay? Talking to the cat. Okay, so, and I'm assuming the, female block is probably, with the super crown. So, so yeah, that's, those blocks there. What? Do you want to play some Mario? What are those spike blocks? Spike blocks. Oh, and then of course there's the gray flower block and hammer. Okay, spiked block. Basically here's how they work. So, if I come to the main area and I place down a spiked block and I play, yeah, thanks to the 7 people watching. So, like, it'll periodically change the direction of the spikes, and you can add, yeah. Go away, random person in the background. Oh, don't tell them to go away. We accept everyone, even if you don't talk in the chat. You don't have to talk in the chat. So yeah, that's all the spiked block is, and of course you can add power-ups and stuff into it. And yeah. Yeah, Postal, please stop. Please don't do this to the world. Yeah, another cool thing about this game is, yeah, I know I talk about this game a lot, but it's got some items from Super Mario Maker 2 in it as well, or Super Mario Maker 2, Super Mario Brothers 2, like, Shy Guys and stuff you can pull out of the ground, and, yeah. So, yeah. Cool stuff. I'm gonna go and delete that spike block from the beginning, because it doesn't need to be there. How's the game looking, by the way? Okay, I don't like your suggestion, YouTube. I should probably use a... Jeez. So Wimpy was hit by a worm and said, ow. Ooh, those tire platforms, I see good Kaizo potential. Yeah, they're used in Kaizo, and also you can use a text modifier to actually modify how long they go for. And I don't know how long is the maximum. I suppose I could try out a very large number and just see how far it can go. Here. Oh, no, yeah. Mario does that a lot. Okay, so if I go ahead and... Okay, let's just try that. And I want to get rid of this one so I know Mario will spawn up here. Okay, what's the number? Okay, so the maximum is 9, like in Super Mario World Kaizo hacks. So yeah, we did it for science. The maximum is 9. What are all those Marios? So, these are all the things that you can start Mario out as. This one is the one that I use mostly. It's when Mario just kind of... This is where Mario will start, is when you start the level. And this one is where Mario will start in the level, but it'll give him a warp animation. So if you're like making an underground level, but you don't want the overworld first and then you go underground, then you'd use that and he'd just show up like he came out of a pipe. And then Jump Mario, I believe, starts out Mario in a jumping animation. And Vine Mario, I believe, starts him out like he's climbing up a vine. And then right here is the checkpoint flag that you can add in. And then here's the flagpole. And you can add whatever you want under the flagpole as well. And then there's, of course, the castle, which you can place pretty much everywhere. And then there's an auto-scroller. Put this somewhere on the screen, and the level will begin to auto-scroll. So I want to see exactly what goes on here. Oh, so there you go. When it comes to the Jump Mario control, the level will start with Mario jumping like that, like it's an airship. And... yeah, we lost a viewer. And Warp Mario, if I add him up here and add a pipe. You don't have to add a pipe, but... like, you don't have to add a pipe, but I mean... it would just make the level look good if you did add a pipe, so don't be crazy, add a pipe. Look how more things Nintendo could ever do. I feel like I saw a comment on a Mario Maker video once, and it was someone saying Nintendo's really trying to phase out the ROM hacks, aren't they? Something like that. I dare you to complete your level without going to the left. So yeah, here. That is not what I expected to happen. So he came out of the side of the pipe. Okay. So there you go. Yeah, there's many different pipe colors. It's not like you can customize the color with a scroll or anything, but there's a lot of pipes you can choose from. And then there's also a bunch of mini pipes you can choose from as well. There's a lot of tiles you can use in this game. I should probably add Mario back to the beginning. I cheated. Well, welcome Shawnee Plays to the stream. How you doing? Sideways pipes. Yeah. Sideways pipes. And there's also, I don't think you can complete the level without going left, my dude. There's also these big pipes and these diagonal pipes here too. One, I like literally there is no end to this level. Nope, there I went left. Well, they should be like Sega, praise the fan games. Yeah. Come on, Nintendo. Come on, Nintendo. Come on, Nintendo. I'll try and get to the vine without pressing Shawnee Plays Raid. Welcome, Natasha Morton, to the stream. Shawnee Plays Raid. I'm assuming you mean Raid Shadow Legends. Sega probably doesn't like Let's Get Funky with Cream and Tails. I'm sure they... Okay, now there's a lot of people. Welcome, Gotcha Drago, to the stream, and Santino Boy. I bet you what's going on here is there's a bunch of people following this one person, and they're going to a bunch of live streams. Ah, never mind, I'm stupid. It's Twitch. Duh. I'm stupid! I'm sorry, I'm stupid. It's a raid like Twitch, except it's on YouTube, so it's a little weirder. Ah ha ha, I'm sorry, my stupid YouTube brain can't comprehend raids. Speaking of Twitch, you can go follow my Twitch at twitch.tv/LukeMaster061. Thanks for the raid, guys. Do you want money? Hello, raiders. We're all very polite over here. Thanks, Natasha. I feel really stupid right now. Welcome! Thank you for invading. Yes, you correct now. I don't want to kill everyone by saying that, James. I don't want to taint this microphone here with having to process those 3 words. Well, those like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe words. Oh, you want money? Okay, very polite. Thanks, Gotcha Trago. I appreciate it. Thank you to the 10 people watching, the 6 people who've liked the stream. This is a raid. Here's all the subs. We out, boy. Maybe some cookies, please. Okay, we can probably get you some cookies. Do we have any cookies on standby? Got raided by... Darn it. Well, actually, no. This is an honor. We've gotten raided by the Shawnee Plays gang. Only the true fans. Thank you, Vin So Good, for joining the stream, and everyone else that I forgot to mention. Money, please. Alright, we'll get you some money and cookies. Do we have James? No. I'm sorry. I don't think I can do that to your people's ears. Okay, we've got the money. We've got the money. How much you want? Download Shawnee Plays Legends today. There you go. There's your money. Postal. Thank you for giving them the money. Does anyone have cookies we can give to them? They wanted cookies as well. They wanted cookies. iOS and Android. They wanted cookies. Thanks to the 7 people who've liked the stream. Like, get these people some cookies. Do it now. Might. There you go. Mr. Krabs or something. Thanks for the cookies. There you go. Yep. Thank you for this Mario Maker. Yeah, thanks for raiding. I don't know. This live stream. There we go. Oh, you want negative? So that means you have to give me money, right? Since it's negative. Thanks for stopping by. Can't send Rickroll links. Yeah, I should probably find out how to turn off YouTube trying to ban links. I'll figure it out in a little bit. Because that's very, very annoying. Here. Live chat. Here we are. Alright, adios, everyone. Have a good day now. You just gotta act so calm as you're being raided, you know? Yep, here we go. There we go. Okay, save. Alright, links shouldn't be blocked anymore, so if anyone wants to rickroll anyone, it is completely open. Links are completely open now. So yeah, you can send links now. Hope you're all happy. Oh, press dislike. Thank you to the 8 people who've liked the stream, the 8 people watching. You okay, Vin? You doing good, man? Okay. Oh, okay, thanks, gotcha, Drago. Alright, that's a big map. Yeah, it is a pretty big map. You can make the maps in this game super huge. It just doesn't look even to me. I don't know. Okay, it isn't a raid without a sub and a like. Okay. Bye, give me money later. Gotcha, Vin. I'll give you the money later. I'm taking your cookie. Okay, fine. Take all the cookies you want. We'll make some more. Have you played I haven't played Fortnite, but there's a game like it called Fortnite. I've played it a couple times, and it's alright, I guess. It's not my favorite game in the world. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Doesn't let you post links. Well, believe that I've turned off the blocking of links. I don't know. There's a link. I don't know. Here. Let me go edit a couple other things real quick and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, adios, gotcha, Drago. Adios, everyone else. Stuff like that. Just clear this. Save that. I think mods can only send links. Aw. Sorry, Dobby. Adios, Hunter. Dobby, I don't think I can translate whatever that is, honestly. Hold on, close this real quick. Alright. I'm, like, going crazy right now. YouTube equals bad. Yeah, it's like... What? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to comprehend what is going on here, but I don't think I can. Okay. So. Another thing I've been trying out is, I'm trying to use Paracoopas, but I haven't really figured out why they aren't working. Oh, hold on. I think I just figured something out. Hold on. Sorry, I'm stupid. Sorry, I'm stupid. Let's see. I'm sure I could probably just look up a tutorial for this on YouTube, but I honestly don't care enough. Alright, come on, jump button. Welcome to testing. Okay, now that we've gotten over the hype of the raid, ow. I guess we can go back to normal. Didn't really want to pick it up, but I did anyways. Arrows? Okay, so unlike arrows, when it comes to... Wow, James, that I have no clue what you're talking about, but thanks anyways. Okay, so when it comes to the whole arrows thing, those are in the modifier section because of the fact that they are used to modify the way things move or the way things act instead of actually showing up as a thing in the game. For instance, you can make it so that pipes don't take you to a different area. That enemy placement is trash. Yeah, the football guy. Yeah. See, I was originally trying to put a Paracupa there, but I couldn't figure it out, so I was like, football. Here, I'll go ahead and give you an example here. If I go ahead and go to the main real quick. Let's see here. Here, I'm just gonna come. So for instance, if we've got let's just place down some ground real quick and stuff like that. Put a red Koopa. Yeah, I tried a couple Paracoopas. I'll have to test it out more. But thank you, James. So for instance, if we go ahead and grab a pipe and we put it like that, and then you don't have to put these blocks here, but it just makes it look nice, so I do it anyways. And then you make the pipe go up like that. Then you add another one of these up here. And then you add some of that. And then an exit there. What you can do is you can make it so, using these warp arrows, you can make it so that Mario can go through the pipe. And then when he does go through the pipe, you use these arrow modifiers to signify how the screen will move as Mario's going through the pipe. So when he hits this corner, he's going to go this way, and then he's going to go up. And then when he hits this corner, he's going to go like that. And ta-da! So also you can make it so that you can go back through pipes, or you can make it so that pipes are one way only. It's really just up to the maker. So for instance, if we do this, and I know I don't have to make this look nice, but I kind of want to make it look nice, so don't judge. I subscribed to you last year and didn't watch any of your stuff. Oh, well, thank you for subscribing. Anyways, it's always appreciated. So yeah, glad you're coming now, you know? I mean, just because you're subscribed doesn't mean you're forced to watch the videos. That's not how YouTube works, but yeah. So then if you want to make it so that the player can go back through the pipe, I believe all you have to do is, I don't know if you have to add any extra arrows or not, so I'm gonna test it and see. So, here's what it looks like when you go through the pipe using those arrow modifiers. Ta-da! Now, I think if you go back... Yep, okay. So, you have to actually go in and add in some more arrow modifiers to specify where he's gonna go. I know I didn't put notifications on. Oh, okay. Now, I don't know if this is exactly how you do it, because... it's kind of tricky to figure out because it's not as user-friendly as Mario Maker is, but it's a little more powerful, which is usually how things like that work, is even though it's not as user-friendly, you can usually do a lot more with it if you know what you're doing. And a couple Google searches, but... So, I don't know if you can actually make it so that you go back through or not. I would have to continue experimenting. Let me try, so... Honestly, I don't know if you can make it so that you go back through or not. Can we play Minecraft someday? Yeah, it is kind of tricky, but if you know what you're doing, like this right here actually isn't too hard to do. You just place the arrows in the correct place. Yeah, I might try another Minecraft stream, but the last time I tried it, which was like a couple days ago, it was extremely laggy, so yeah. But like I was saying, all you gotta do is make it so that he goes in here, and then he goes up, and then he goes over. And I have Bedrock and Java. Java is better. So yeah, all I gotta do is just add those arrows and make it so that he can go through the pipe and the camera will follow. So yeah, it does that infinitely. And then he can't go back through. And another thing that you can do is, of course, you can make it so that when he hits a certain point, he will go into a different subworld. Hashtag Team Java. I don't know. This one frame for 10 seconds. Same. So the way warps work, I might as well teach this now. Is basically, so that was that was pretty simple. You know. However, when it comes to actual warping to different sections, or because of the way this game works, you can make it so that you go to the same section just in a different area. W. I'll teach. Yeah, I'll teach you here. Welcome to Luke Master 06's tutorial on how to warp in Mario Editor. So we just went over how to make it so that you go through a pipe and the camera follows. But now I'm gonna show you how to actually go through. That's how I describe mine. Welcome Anson Nielsen to the stream. I think I know who that is, but I'm not quite sure. So to actually go through a pipe, what you do is you add the pipe, obviously. You can do the same thing with pipes, but with walls. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you don't have to have a pipe there to make Mario go through. I think you can actually put the warp anywhere you want. Which, yes, is very good for trolls. Yeah, I believe you can put it almost anywhere you want. No, you don't. Also, another thing you can do is, like I said before, you can use any tile as a background tile, so you can technically make false walls in this game. But back to the task at hand. So the way you make warps in this game is, you go to this section up here with the warp, and of course you build the pipe, or in Postal's case, you put a wall down. And you come up to the warp section and choose the way that Mario's gonna come through. In this case, he's gonna have to go down, and so we choose this arrow here. And then when we do that, we need to come back up to this warp section here and choose this. This is the thing that will tell the game when Mario touches it to actually warp him. Yeah, lots. Add some decor. This looks plain and lame. This level here is just me showing you how to do stuff. It's not an actual level I'm working on. I will add more stuff into my actual levels later. Welcome to the stream. We're playing Mario Editor. It's like Mario Maker but cooler, and I'm doing a warp tutorial for Postal because they want to make troll levels. So when Mario hits this warp marker, the game will look for a text modifier. So to actually do that, you go up to this modifier, or the mushroom section, you click on it, and you go over to the text, and that's a section, and then you type in, then you type in, for instance, this I want to call pipe 1, you know? I will show the NPCs in a little bit, yeah, thank you. That's okay, James. So, pipe 1, and you can really call it whatever you want. You could even call it sup, or whatever, but for the sake of, like, keeping things in order, I'm gonna call it pipe 1. Can you put warps outside in air, and when you walk on it, you warp? I don't know if you can do that or not. I tried it before, and I don't think it works, but I think there's a way to do it with the arrows. It's not as tricky as it seems. Once you start doing it, it's very easy. So after pipe 1, or whatever you want to call it, you type in the... Yes, I do have a Discord. It's in the description, James. You type in whatever the section name that you want it to go to is. So, for instance, we'll do test 2. And so then we make this a text modifier by clicking on this button here, and we place it over the W. And now that we have that, we need to actually create a new section. And this section needs to be called test 2. And so when we create this section, we come down here and we add a new pipe or wall or whatever. And when we do that, do it like that. And then new subscriber, thank you, Anson Nielsen. And when we do that, next what we need to do is we need to make a new text modifier, and we need to call it okie see you in a little bit, James. And we need to call this text modifier pipe 1 because that's where that's when we went to. Just take my word for it. Pipe 1. So then we make it a destination modifier, or a destination marker, which is the blue one, and we put it on this side of the pipe. And then we go back up to modifier again and go to the arrows and choose this up arrow because that's how Mario's going to come out of the pipe, and put it on the opposite side of the text. And this is what it'll look like when you actually do it. So here's what we did just a little bit ago. Then, if my jump button would work, we can jump over there. So yeah, that was pretty simple. That was pretty simple. But if we come over here, it's a tutorial for people without the game. This is a tutorial for anyone, like, trying. So, you go through the pipe and boom, you're here. It's as simple as that. And you can also make it so that you go down the pipe again if you want, and it'll take you to somewhere else or the exact same spot. And that's basically doing the same steps, but just, like, I'm sure if you really need that help, I am here. And now that we've done that, let's go ahead and experiment with another thing in this game when it comes to warps. I know this was supposed to be building, but now it's a tutorial, but I mean, tutorials are fun. So next up, we can go ahead and experiment with doors. This game also has doors. And to go ahead and, you know, actually use the doors, we need to go to the warp section again, and we need to choose one of these doors. The basic door is called door. And then there's also a door that can be unlocked using a key. And then there's a boss door, which only opens when a boss is killed in the certain area. And then there's a hidden door, which I believe is only shown when a P-switch is hit. Then there's a hidden lock door, which is only shown when the P-switch is hit and you need a key for it. Then there's a bomb door, which I believe you need a bomb to blow up to use it. But for now, we're just going to use the normal door. So we place down the door, like so. And we need to go back to the text modifiers, like any Mario make. And so you come up to the modifier, and you go back to text, and now I guess we can call this one door 1. And let's go and just make this go to the same area. So this is the area called test 2. Hidden door, nice. And it's going to be called text modifier, and we put that on the bottom of the door. The bottom of the door, remember that. And so then we can go ahead and either add another door item or just add this, or you know what? I'll give you another example. You don't even need anything to be there when you go through the door. You just need the destination thing. So when you go through the door, you're going to end up in the area specified by another one of these destination markers, and you call that the whatever for this is a Minecraft tutorial on how to break dirt. Yes. So you type in whatever you typed in before the first comma there, and you call it the destination marker. And this is confusing. Okay. You know what? Tell me exactly what you're confused on, and I am here to help. Welcome back, James. You were not gone very long. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and completely start over because me talking way too fast and I didn't describe nearly enough of anything. So I'm gonna real quickly reset the level. Like so. We'll just call that KK. And then delete that. And then when we come back to this section, Alright, so now that we've just completely destroyed this level, let's put it back. Yeah, I'm confused. Why aren't you making a level about getting toad skins? Thanks, Dobby. I'll have to work on that one later. Alright, so welcome to my tutorial on how to do warping in Mario Editor. And so let's go ahead and begin. So first, let's start out by paying the bills before done. I'll work on NPCs in a little bit, Dobby. Don't worry. Alright, so let's go and begin by making it so that when you enter this pipe, the camera follows where Mario goes, and then Mario ends up over here. So the first thing we're going to need is to go to this warp section. And when we click on that, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff here. The main things you're going to want to worry about are these four right here. And so we need to choose the arrow that, you know, describes the way Mario's going to go in, which he's going to go in from the left, going into the right. So we choose that arrow. Pretty self-explanatory, shouldn't have to explain it too much. And then we need to go and grab some more arrows, and these arrows are in the Modifier Section, which are represented by a mushroom. When you click on the mushroom, as you can see, there's a bunch of power-ups, but where we need to go is this section titled Arrow. When we go in there, we need to grab the arrows which describe the corners, basically. So when Mario's coming through this pipe, he's going to be going this way, and so we need an arrow that looks like that, and you put it on the corner there. And then when he hits that corner, he's going to go up, and so we're going to need an up arrow like that. And then when he hits this corner, we need an arrow like arrows like that. So when he's coming up here, he is, you know, coming up. So we need to have an up arrow. And then he's going to turn to the right, and so we need an arrow pointing to the right. And then Mario should come out of here. I remember when me and my cousin was playing on New Mario Brothers U Deluxe. He was Toad and I was Toadette. We were on the last world, last level, and I kept nagging about how I was broke. Right, only because I paid the bills. Jeez Louise. Alright, so let's go and test out how this works. So as you can see, Mario enters the pipe, and the camera follows. My cousin said he paid the bills. Alright, so to anyone trying to build a Mario Editor level, that's how you do that type of warp there. And if you need any more help, just ask. I am here. Next up, we get to do the fun part that's going to unlock a lot of stuff, which is using pipes to warp to different sections or different areas in a section. So let's go and work on that now. I never pays the bills and he's That is amazing, Dobby. So now we can go ahead and actually make a warp pipe, and he never pays the bills. Thanks, Dobby. That story is just so enlightening. So now let's go ahead and actually work on this pipe here. So first we're going to begin by going to the warp section. He didn't pay. He was in this situation. So we're going to come back up to this warp section. Welcome back, Justin Gamer TV 06. I'm doing a tutorial right now. You didn't miss much. We got raided. Actually, I think you were there for that, so no, you didn't miss much. So we go up to this warp section represented by a pipe, and we click on it, and we choose the way that Mario's going to go into the pipe. Force a free kill Bowser. Jeez Louise. So now that we have this here, this is where things get a little more complicated. So now we need to come back up to the warp section and go over to this W called warp marker. Jeez Louise. And we place the warp marker, like usually you'd want to put it maybe there, but just for the sake of this, let's put it right there. And next up, we go to the modifier section represented by a mushroom and go to this text area. And what we type in is, in this first part here, you type in whatever you want. So in this case, I'm going to type in pipe 1. And then you add a comma, no spaces, to force some married yellow toad. Jeez Louise. So pipe 1, comma, and then the name of the section that you're going to. So in this case, we're going to be going to test 2. Divorce after a murder, just lovely. So in this case, we're going to be going to test 2, and we make that a text modifier by clicking this button. And then we place this on top of the W. And now we come up to this section called sections, click on it, and we type in the section name. In that case, it would be test 2. Joining for a bit is Luigi, and I call it Luigi Hipster. And so we come over to test 2 once it's created, click on it, and go in. And so now that we've done that, we can create a pipe. And once we've created the pipe, we need to actually make it so that's where Mario comes out. And we can do that using more modifiers or the mushroom box. And then we come over to text again, and this time we type in whatever we typed in before the comma. In this case, I typed in pipe 1 to help a breaking family. And since we have this, we can now call it a destination modifier by clicking this button right here, which is the same button, but the text is blue. And so then we place that on the left side of the pipe, and we go ahead and go back to modifier, and this time we go to the arrow section and choose the up arrow and put it on the opposite side of the pipe. I don't know either, Dobby. And so we put it on the opposite side of the pipe like this. If the text was right here on this side of the pipe, this would go here. Or else Mario would end up coming out right here in between these 2 blocks, and it wouldn't look correct. And so now that we've done that, if you have any more questions, ask me. But yeah, if you have any more questions, ask me. But for now, let's go ahead and show you what we've done so far. So we have that pipe, and next we can move on to this one right here. So if we go down the pipe.
Oh no!
Alright, never mind. So we're not doing. So when you place down the W, make sure to put it under the pipe, directly under the pipe, right there. And put the text modifier over it. Put it on the W, and then we can try it again, and hopefully it'll work. Chump button. Thanks, Postal. So, Postal, you're the one who asked in the first place, do you have any questions about anything so far? So, if you come through this pipe here, as you can see, you get teleported to this section here. So, yeah. Ta-da! So, if you have any questions, be sure to ask. Can you go in a door without a door? Honestly, I was doing this story. Thanks, Dobby. Honestly, I don't know. I would have to experiment real quick. Just give me 1 second. Sorry about that. I'm trying to remember if you... I'm pretty sure you have to add a W right there. And you come up here. Alright, let me try it. Postal, I think this confirms that you cannot go through the door without a door. I'm pressing up a lot. I can even try it on this. So yeah, I think you do actually need the door there to use the door. So now, speaking of doors, let's move on to the actual door tutorial. To use warp doors, all you need to do is you need to come into the warp section represented by a pipe and click on it. And as you can see, there's a bunch of doors here. I've explained them before. And really the only ones you're gonna deal with is probably this one and maybe these and maybe these. So let's just go and choose a normal door and let's place it down. And as you can see, we have a door here. Normally this door will do nothing. I'm pretty sure you can still go through it, but it'll just make you pop out maybe at the beginning of the level or something because you haven't said anything. And then I believe next you need to go back to the warp section and grab a warp marker and put that on the bottom half of the door. Make sure to put that on the bottom half. Never mind, you can't. Forget it. So you don't need the warp marker. That makes things less confusing. So instead of doing a warp marker on the bottom, you'd instead put down a text modifier, and you get to the modifier section by clicking on the mushroom and going to this text area. And for instance, I think you want to make a tutorial video on this. Yeah, I should probably do that. So what you do is you put door 1 or whatever you want to type, then you put a comma, no spaces, and then you put the section that you're going to go to. In this case, we're just going to stick to this section. And so we'd put that on the bottom half of the door. And then you don't have to add this in, but it does make it look nice. Not a tutorial stream. And I'm about to be done, don't worry. And you put down this little thing right here, or you don't put down anything, and you come back to the text modifier thing. Welcome, handed you into the stream. And you type in whatever you typed in before the first comma, and you call it a destination marker, and put it on the top half of the door. Trust me, I put it on the bottom half once, and Mario got stuck in the ground. Let's go and test this out, and then we'll go back to actually building levels, and I'll make a tutorial video eventually. Jump, Mario! The button! Come on, man. So we go through the pipe, test that out, we go through the door. He ends up here. Alright. This makes a good CP, though. CP1, though. Yeah. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's just get out of here. I'm going to delete this level in a little bit. Let's actually keep working on the level I was supposed to be working on. So yeah, woo. Alright, here we are. So now we can continue working on the level. It's nice not needing to have an exit door. Yeah, you don't have to have an exit door, but you can also add one if you want. And you can also make it so that the doors don't have to go to the same section. They can also go to different sections if you want. So it's less limited than Mario Maker is in that way. Let's keep working on levels. So yeah, I'm sorry about the whole tutorial thing. I just thought I might explain it. Now, if I go ahead and... Alright. So I don't think things that are like that size really work out too well. So this jump will be a little harder because of the way the screen is built, I guess. Can I make it? Nope, I cannot make it any smaller. Okay. Just for the heck of it, I think I'm gonna stick to donuts because that's the whole point of the level. So let's go and add in some more clouds to stand on. Cheeps. Oh, noms. I'm sorry, I forgot. Okay. I don't know if this level really needs cheeps or not, but I'll add one just because it's one of my levels. It needs a cheep because Noms is here. Thanks to the 6 people watching the stream and dealing with me talking about warps for like, what, 30 minutes. And to the 9 people who like the stream for some reason. So yeah, once again, this game is in the description. If you'd like to download it and send me your levels, go ahead and do so. So, you know what, just for the heck of it, yeah, let's do this. That is not correct spelling. Okay. That looks a little better. Alright. Boo. Cheap games better be cheap. If you don't like cheaps, I'm afraid that Noms will, like, personally come to your house and kill you. Thanks to the 10 people who liked the stream was supposed to say he was supposed to pay the bills. Don't worry. I got you, Dobby. That's more of her personality. Don't worry. Don't know if this is supposed to be a message modifier or not, but I'm just gonna stick with the text modifier and hope I didn't type this out for nothing. Alright. Now also, previously in the level, I'm gonna add a toad here. Let's make a blue toad. Right, if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna be really sad that all of that just went into nothing and I have to do it again and the joke isn't as nearly as funny as it would be. Ah, darn it! I knew I had to use a message modifier. Okay. Alright. Okay, message modifier. What are you on? Thanks, Timeless Arcane. This is Dobby Doc's doing. He wanted me to do this. I'm on drugs. Same Postal. There we go. Then I need to come to this section. I'm gonna go all the way down because it always starts me up there. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Let's go.
Alright, give me 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Okay, let's test this out. Moving some stuff around. Making sure nothing is caught under any office chair wheels. Alright, here's Blue Toad. I call this cannon. Alright, there you go. Alright. Okay, that Charging Chuck's hitbox is kind of bull. Alright, there's Toadette. Here, let's see if I can actually reach her from here. I don't think you can actually talk to her because of the way I have this set up. Ever heard of the Koopa hitbox in Mario Maker 2, pal? Ever heard of the Spike Trap hitbox in Mario Maker 2, pal? Alright, so let's just make sure this is still working. It'd be cool if you could change the, like, you know, I guess, faces in the message boxes. Or if they made it so that whatever Mario's power-up was, he would be wearing it in the message box. That'd be kind of cool. Alright, thanks to the 5 people watching and 10 people who've liked the stream so far. Once again, this game's in the description along with my email if you'd like to send me your .json file levels. And also down there is my Discord and my Streamlabs. Alright, let's go. Oh, that fish just leaves. Yeah, Toad should be happy to see that. That's true. Alright. Alright, there we go. Ta-da! We added Toad and Toadette into this. Oh, you only have a Chrome laptop? Yeah. Sorry about that. Also, by the way, you come down here and you die. Just saying. Okey-doke. Because of the way the fish jumped that I saw, I'm gonna put him over there, and I guess he's green now. Yeah, this level doesn't look the greatest. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change it up a little bit. Have the big end. Okay. Gotcha. Donut Forest is the level where Toad and Toadette argue. And them arguing. Sadly, I don't believe there's a way to make it so that you have two characters, like, talk at the same time and Mario doesn't say anything. So I might just have them each say one line, and if you read them both, they'll connect together. Alright, so now we have a fish here. He jumps around. He's also dead. Dobby, I don't know what is going through your head, but I mean, I did it. I have Super Mario Make 2 and an original Switch. My dad says is recommended to sleep. Oh, welcome Adam Turkey to the stream. Or, however you pronounce that, sorry. Yeah.
Oh no!
Okie doke. I think in just a little bit I'm gonna connect the pathways because for reasons. Like, I think about right here is when I can connect them together. Okay, one. Alright, so from what I've discovered, the screen is, well, I mean, 24 blocks long, which means that everything is off center. You know what? Yeah, they should honestly add NPCs to Mario Maker 2. That'd be really cool. And even if they didn't add NPCs, I wish they would add these message blocks into Mario Maker 2. Alright, now that we've joined the level together here, just for the heck of it, I'll add another checkpoint there. Let's go ahead and... Now, here's something that I want to try real quick. Now, what if I use one of these touch start platforms, but I make it so that as it goes, can it go a certain direction? Like, can I use the arrow modifiers to make it turn or not? Yeah, okay. So yeah, thanks to the 5 people watching the stream so far and the 10 people who liked it. Now, here's something that I'm starting to realize is because of the... Oh, you can make that, never mind. It's all good. Oh my gosh, it works! I am a legend! And now we go up. Alright, so you can make platforms go wherever you want. No track required. I don't know how fast this platform's actually going right now, but I will know as soon as we get to the top of the stage. Oh no. Yahoo! Oh, that was fun. Alright, so I can change the direction of the things. That's good. That's good. Now, I want to see what happens when I use one of these, because I've never ever really used one of these before. So, this is just all new for me. Like, I haven't really used tracks or the platforms much at all. Shouldn't have done that. So yeah, I think after this stream, I'll go ahead and put up the levels that I've created into like a Google Drive thing so you guys can download them and play them. You know, my levels aren't that good, but I mean, they were made before I made some important discoveries, like you can change the length of the level. And some other things. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it turned. And nothing happened. Alright, I don't think they can go diagonal then. Like, at all, in the slightest. So let's go and make this guy turn again. Now let's actually add some enemies that are actually threatening. I know it's kind of crazy, but like you actually need to have enemies that attack. Right, we could probably... What if I put that guy up there?
Let's go.
So once again, there's just a lot of trial and error because Mario Maker. So yeah, if you guys do want to see another stream, I will probably do another stream maybe on Friday, maybe not. Welcome Zaid Frizzy, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do another stream on Friday like you usually do, and I also plan on uploading a video on Friday as well, but I gotta record that, and if it doesn't come out on Friday, just know that it'll come out at some point. Okay, this guy actually kind of sucks. Also, I think real quickly I'm gonna add a reset door. Hopefully the reset door can actually function as a reset door. Here, let's do... let's call it reset door. Kind of weird typing with one hand, honestly. Let's go and put that there, and then let's make it so that you reset door. Now let's put that on that side. And I want to just get rid of him.
Let's go.
I'll add more enemies later. Alright. So, once again, I'm going to say it again. I always say it a couple times during the stream whenever I play a game like this. You can download it in the description. My email is also in the description to go ahead and send stuff to. And so is the Discord link, and I'll probably hang out in there for a little bit after this. Greatest ages. Create stage and have some fun. Alright then. Yeah, thanks to the 6 people watching the stream and the 10 people who liked it. So yeah, and also Streamlabs in the description, blah 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 blah. I've said this 20 times now. Also, something I need to do is, so I added that secret down there, right? I need to make it so that you can actually, you know, get up from that secret and you're not just stuck down there forever. So then there'd be no point to it. Alright, so let's activate the platform. Let's have it go away. See, it's gone now. So if we go through the door, it reappears! Reset door for the win. Okay, reset door. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of have him go back and forth like that. I think I actually need to lower that. Because I think, like, the corner of the... That's not what I meant to do. I think the, corner of the platform needs to, like, come in here. Then I think I'll make it so that the platform stops up here-ish. Because honestly, I don't want to build any more platform stuff. Sure, a little platform section. And then I think we could probably end the level sometime around here. Honestly, we could probably put the flag up here. Nah, let's put the flag somewhere else, honestly. Alright, let's go and trying to do stuff here, but I'm just, my brain is not processing anything right now. Okay, let's go and make it so that when the platform comes up here, it goes off screen. Honestly, let's just make this one big line of clouds, because these clouds can be, because you can go through the clouds. I know that for a fact. Let's use this color pipe. And then let's drag this up here. And no one's really ever gonna see this, except for you people, so congratulations. So yeah, I'm gonna make it so that you enter here. And yes, I'm gonna go back through add enemies and stuff like that, because this level's really easy right now. And I also want to make it so that, that's not the right arrow in the slightest, so that you kind of come up, and then when you hit this, you can actually go somewhere, just to make this level slightly longer. There we go. I suppose I have an idea now. I have an idea. So I'm gonna add a 1 up here. However, I'm gonna add a bunch of small red donuts. Like, just a staircase of them. And if you come up here, then just as a just as a little gift thing, you get to do this. So you get a power up, and this power up is the super crown. And then you then I'm gonna make it so that you go through this. There's gonna be a door here, and this door takes you back to the beginning. I'm gonna call this crown door. Let's do it main. So basically, if you come up here, and the whole point is to play the entire level using the super crown. So yeah, and you won't have a choice. You cannot go back down and just end the level. You come up here, you're gonna stay up here. So here's your added challenge. Here's a checkpoint. So then this is crown door. Yep. All right. Let's add it right there. And ta-da. Honestly, I have no clue what that just did. Remember Toad and Toadette. Okay, I gotcha. Oh, I see what that did now. Alright. Alright, so if we come up here, so then when you go through this, I'm gonna go from... I'm gonna call it end pipe. Then I'm gonna go super far. Here. Then we add some ground. There we go. And then when you come out of this pipe, now just for the heck of it, I'm gonna go and take the extra step and add in the background tiles there. And then we need to add the destination marker. Put it there. Come over here. Make so he comes out of the pipe. And then we grab some NPCs. We have Blue Toad right there. And then come back over here. And we grab Toadette. Hold on, that said pink Toadette. Are there multiple Toadette colors? Oh yeah, there is. Huh. Okay. Alright, let me think here. I click text modifier. There we go. Then after that, we go ahead and add our staircase. It's not a very big staircase, but it's a staircase nonetheless. Then we add in the flagpole. Then over here at the very end, we add that. Okie doke. And that's pretty much it for this level. However, I do want to add in some more background features. So these are supposed to represent trees. They do an okay job at it, I suppose. Okay, now, this Toad always lying. Now let's go and make it so that you go from, I don't know which door this is, so I'll just choose door 1, I suppose. There we go. And then also I want to add, once again, some more decoration to the level, like bushes and stuff. Let's see. I think there's a couple little pieces of shrubbery over here, yep. Yeah, also, let's just go ahead and, 'cause I know there's some little flowers here, so let's add a flower. And let's add another flower. Save it, and then since we're in a forest, have some trees. And some more stuff like that. And I also want to add some more enemies as well. Because in my opinion, we're missing some enemies. The level just seems kind of bare. And then you come up to subvertical. Come all the way down. Let's, here we are. And then let's add a couple more stars. Throw in some more mushrooms. And another star up here. Then some fire flowers to fill in the gaps. And a few of these cloud blocks as well. Save that. Okay. And we can also go ahead and some of those, and some other details, like I wanted to add in a couple hills, or like just one hill that just goes all the way up to like there. Like so. So let's do that. Do that. Always gotta add those background elements. Alright. And there's the hill. Now, once again, something I want to do is add in some Paracoopas. What if we add him right there? And some Goombas. Actually, I think those just fall, so. We could also add in this guy. Let's... And if you jump over here, you can get a 1-up. And that's pretty much it for the level. So real quickly, let's go and test it out. Let's grab that. There we go. Let me jump up here. I don't see the door. And fall down here. Jump! Jump! Alright.
Oh no!
Ow. Good doke. Already talked to him. Stay on this side, dodge him. Okay. I did not shoot. And we jump, get the 1-up, go through the door, fall down, and get attacked by a charging Chuck. It's always that donut, man. Alright, and then we go up. Alright, the level definitely looks a lot better now. That's... Okay, I really need to figure out this paratrooper. Hey, that's a soft lock. That is a soft lock if I've ever seen it. Okay, welcome Sans the Skeleton to the stream. Okay, let's not make that a soft lock. I said I was gonna add more enemies, and yet I never did. Okay, real quickly, just, give me 1 second, guys. Welcome, James. Welcome. Okay. I have this video here. Come on. Come on, guys. Okay, he's got flippin' flying Koopas. May I mention that? May I mention that? Honestly... Yeah, okay, I'll just try a couple things. Less than an hour ago. Alright, Paracoopa. Red Paracoopa. I'm assuming what you do is you've got to use the arrows, right? It only makes sense. Let's see. It's me and you now. Oh, yeah, everyone left. So yeah, how you doing? The stream's probably gonna end pretty soon. Just want to let you know. So, yeah. Oh, never mind. Some people are coming back. Okay, let's... That is where you are wrong. I still have yet to figure out why the heck this doesn't work. Okay. What if we try that? What if we tried... Okay, you know what? For editing purposes... For testing purposes... Oh, they are back. For testing purposes, I'm going to put... Mario start at the checkpoint here. So I'm tired of having to play the level over and over again just to test stuff. Let's try it. Come on. Alright then. Never mind. We'll just do it again.
Let's go. Oh no.
Okay, that makes me angry. And thanks if 5 people watch the stream, I'm feeling pain. Let's go. The game said no, pal. I almost got killed by a donut. Ow, you son of a gun. Quick travel pipe to each zone. Yeah, I could do that. Honestly, I probably should invest in one of those. Should invest in one of those. Alright, well, I made it back here pretty quickly. Sigh, I'm bored. Yeah, don't worry, Dobby. This stream's about to end pretty soon, so... yeah. Oof, okay. Not really wanted to go, but I mean... okay, how's my boy Paracoopa doing? He... doesn't exist. What? He's just dead. Alright, you know, I'll figure out Paracoopas later. Bubbles. Let's do bubbles. Forgot about those. Okay, I'm gonna add another reset door down here. Just because of the way this works. Okay. Let's just do that. Sub-vertical, yeah. Let's put him down there and come out here. Over here. Two. We'll start you right there. Get that out of there, by the way. Okay, you know what? Level's done. Alright, so, real quickly, I'm going to upload all the levels I've created to Google Drive for everyone to play. So if I come in here, and I put them there. Join the Discord. Well, welcome to the Discord. Everyone's pretty nice over there. New folder. Right, you know what? Cancel. Just give me 1 second, people. When are you going to do a voice chat? I honestly don't know. Sometimes I randomly hop on there, so. Alright, I'm gonna copy this. Or a new stream. My streams usually are on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And they usually start around 2:30 Central Standard Time. And so that's when you get to, that's usually when my streams are. So let's upload this. Yep. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so let's copy the link. And now, alright, hopefully they're in the description. So now that we've done that, real quickly, I'm just gonna go ahead and play one of my levels to show you just a sneak peek. So we're gonna start out with the first one I've ever made, and this is, after this I'm gonna end the stream.
Oh, yes!
So yeah, I mean, Noms is missing out. Did you see all those cheeps? been a long run. Ow. So yeah. Let me make that update. That is a sensitive question that I would rather not answer. I've done like 2 recordings of it and I still have yet to like what I've done, so I don't know, maybe. Will there ever be a 600 subscriber special? Probably not. So yeah, I suppose while we're here, thank you all for watching the stream. Make sure to subscribe to join the Masters today. Make sure to click the like button until your mouse explodes. All the links and stuff are in the description to pretty much everything you'll ever need. And yeah, so hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to share this video to someone. I don't know. And yeah, see you on the next one. Maybe. Well, probably see you all on the next one. So yeah, bye.